Hi, here today we are live on Put in Bay showing you some more things to do. Today we are with Steve Overy, better known as Youngblood, the owner, for those of you who know who Youngblood, and his antics. Here's Steve doing the helicopter. He's the owner. Steve, how long have you been doing this?
We've been on the island now for a little over 8 years.
And what kind of helicopter are we flying in today?
So the one that you just saw is the Robinson R41, seats 4 people, and we charge $40.
And you got other tours as well?
Yep, we have a $100 tour, takes you around Middle Bass, North Bass, Put in Bay. It's a great time.
Every time we're filming, this helicopter's up and down. So we're gonna get you a chance to do a quick fly around. And this young man is, he's gonna help us, he's gonna load us, and we're gonna go for a quick ride. Thank you, Steve. We'll see you when we come back.
Thanks. Just 3 basic rules. Stay away from the back of the helicopter. I'll take care of all doors and seatbelts for you guys. And no taking pictures as you're walking up,
But we're doing a Facebook Live, so we won't take pictures. And who's our captain today? And our captain? Shane is here. We're getting buckled in, and these are some of the things you can do at Put in Bay. Put in Bay is just not all bars, so we're going to take you up. Shane, how long have you been flying?
9 years now.
Shane's been flying for 9 years. You can take a biplane ride, you can take helicopter rides, just 2 things you can do just at the airport. Some unique things you can do for $40. And we're off and running. So off in the distance you'll get a great view of Kelly's Island. And beautiful Put in Bay Airport for small pilots. One of the best places to fly into for an afternoon. So this is an opportunity you'll get to see Middle Island, Canadian Island. You'll get to see Pelee Island, Rattlesnake, Middle Bass. You'll see the beautiful Put in Bay Harbor. Beautiful, comfortable ride. Actually kind of quiet. So in the distance, right there in the middle, right, the small island is Gibraltar Island, which is Ohio State University, owns that Stone Lab. Of course, you're looking at Ferry's Monument straight ahead. The small island you see is Ballast Island. Straight ahead is Middle Bass Island. The small island between, just to the north, is Sugar Island. And that's North Bass Island straight ahead. Directly below us, beautiful Put in Bay Harbor. And downtown Put in Bay. So those who are here can see most of your favorite businesses. The mooring balls, Ohio State University. Boating traffic, only $40 for this stunning ride. At Middle Bass Island. Right now we're looking at Rattlesnake Island. And a view from behind of beautiful downtown Put in Bay and the harbor. The west shore of Put in Bay. In the distance you see Port Clinton. So just a few of the things you get to do here on your vacation at Put in Bay. And we're going by the amazing Casper Ship House. Great aerial view. You'll see the Middle Bass Ferry taking passengers for the weekend back to Port Clinton. And the beautiful homes on the west shore of Put in Bay. There's the overhang. The Casper Ship House. Ferry, heading back. Right now we're flying straight into the South Bass Lighthouse. And you'll get another stunning view of Put in Bay State Park. So right now you'll see the Miller Ferry. Boats coming back and forth. Portland to Catawba. Beautiful, comfortable ride. And when you take the Miller Ferry, you'll dock right here. And another stunning view of Wood Bay from the air. Everybody's surprised to know that there's a lot of islands here. View of the Miller Ferry. Thanks to our Captain Shane. Thank you very much. Terry Chapman, how are you? So if you want to do something unique, something different at Wood Bay, on a beautiful day like today, you'll be able to see at least 10 different islands, see the beautiful scenery, the coastline, and you can see say hi to Shane. Thank you so much for the ride. Thank you, young man. Thank you for the great ride. Some more customers, enjoy your ride. Steve, thank you. It was amazing. So, just another thing you could do here at Put-in Bay. Are you here? How many days a week are you generally here? 7 days a week. Come to the Bay. You get to see that beautiful scenery, and you get to meet Steve Youngblood. Ask it. There you go. So Paratus Air, right here at Put-in Bay, right here at Put-in Bay Airport. Just a stunning example of all the things you could do at Put-in Bay besides the bars. One of the best activities on the island. We'll see you at the Bay. Steve, thank you.
Thanks. See you guys.
See you at Paratus Air, and it's Paratusair.com. Spell it out. And we'll share that with you. Look up our blog and we'll share that with you. Thanks again. Beth Tremblay, thanks for joining us. Here's some more customers going up, and we'll watch the next group going up. Have a great day. We'll see you at the Bay. Right here at the airport, just about half a mile from the Miller Ferry, Paratus Air. Thanks again, and we'll see everybody at the Bay.